Welcome to FILAM Cuisine. Today we're gonna make the famous Ensaymada. Ensaymada came from Spain and became famous in the Philippines. So let's do it. Here are the ingredients. We have water, yeast, sugar, milk, salt, egg yolks, vegetable oil. We have margarine, and we have butter here. Bread flour right here, and we're gonna mix the wet ingredients first. Okay, so we're gonna put the water here, this mixing bowl, and we're gonna put the yeast, and then we're gonna put 1 teaspoon of sugar. Now we're gonna mix it a little bit here. And we're gonna let it sit for 5 to 6 minutes. Now after 5 minutes, we're gonna show you the yeast. See, it bubbled up already, so it's ready to be mixed with the flour. What we're gonna do now is to mix the other wet ingredients, which is the milk, and then the sugar, the vegetable oil, and the salt, and then the egg yolks. What we're gonna do is mix them together, and we have to put the yeast now. Okay, so we're gonna put everything in, and we'll mix this like this. It's very simple to mix this. And then we're gonna add the flour so we can make our dough. Okay. Now I have the sifter here. The sifter, I'm gonna put the flour. And this will be easy. So we're gonna do this while mixing it. I'll be back with you in 2 minutes. Now here is our dough after mixing it with the wet ingredients. What we're gonna do now, we're gonna transfer it to the flat surface, and we're gonna knead it. And before you transfer it, you put flour on the surface so it won't stick before we transfer it. Now we're gonna transfer it real good. Alright. Alright. A little bit sticky, so we have to transfer it real good. Alright. Put a little bit of flour so it won't stick in your hand, and we're gonna fold, push, fold, push, fold, push, push. Here's our dough now. Okay, what we're gonna do is we're gonna transfer this into the mixing bowl again. We're gonna put a little bit of oil gonna spread oil on the surface of this bowl. Okay, and we're gonna put the dough here. We're gonna leave the dough here for 2 hours, so it will double in size. So now we're gonna transfer it. All right, there you go. Bowl. Okay, so we need this. Now, here's our dough. We're gonna transfer it to the flat surface, and we're gonna cut this in pieces. Okay, and you're gonna cut this in half. All right, cut this in half. All right, and then cut this in half. So I can make 4 pieces here. Cut it into 4 pieces again. All right, and we will form a size of put sugar and butter. And then we're gonna fold it. All right. Make it longer. Make it longer, and then you're gonna roll it. Roll it. So that's our Ensaymada. Baking pan. Do it like that until we finish everything, and we'll show you after it's done. Yes. Now this is the shape of the Ensaymada. We're gonna let this sit for another 30 minutes to 45 minutes in a warm place, so the size will double up again. And after that, we will bake it. Okay, see you. Here's our Ensaymada now. After 45 minutes, it almost doubled in size again. So we're gonna bake this in our oven for 10 to 12 minutes at 350 degrees temperature. And now here's the Ensaymada from our oven. We baked this for 12 minutes. And we let it cool down a bit because we're gonna do the final touch. Okay, now what we're gonna do is we will put some margarine. Put some margarine. All right, and then roll this on the sugar like that. And then we're gonna put some cheese on top. Now here's the finished product, the Ensaymada.